हरिओम साईं राम। मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सब खूब अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रख रहे होंगे, अपनी फैमिली का, अपने नेबरहुड का। In my last episode, I spoke about the fire element getting changed to now earth element after 2 centuries, and for next coming 2 centuries now, in relation with along with Guru Saturn Yuti, which was first formed in the month of from 30th March to June this year, and now would be again forming from 20th November going up to 21st of November next year. In between, from 6th of April 2021 to 14th September, ये एक्वेरियस कुंभ राशि में रहेंगे। 14 सितंबर से फिर से 21 नवंबर तक शनि और बृहस्पति इकट्ठे मकर राशि जो अर्दी साइन है उसमें रहेंगे। Things would be little intense between this year 20th, I would say mid of December till second week of January, to be precise, around 18th 19th of December till 10th of January next year. So we all should be little extra cautious regarding every way. Averagely, a native witnesses this combination 3 times in his or her lifetime. ये एक धर्मा कर्मा का जो मिलन है, धर्मा जुपिटर एंड कर्मा सैटर्न, ये लगभग 3 बार कोई भी जातक अपनी जीवन में देखता है, एंड सीज द चेंजेस ऑल्सो, द प्लानिटरी चेंजेस. As explained in my previous episode, on 21st of December, which is a D-Day, when both the planets will be on same degree, that is 6 degrees, major earth element would start. Time era of earth element would start, which in fact has already started, as I explained in the last episode, but ये उस दिन से एक turning point माना जाएगा आगे. Same degree, that is 6 degrees. That is very important. In my point of view, we are going to enter exponential area from the linear era. If we summarize it, Jupiter will get debilitated in Capricorn, which is Karak of happiness and wealth, health. Here I would add, people born in the nakshatras of Rahu, Ketu and Saturn should be little extra careful for this coming 1 year especially. In Capricorn, 9th house is Vargotama, and hence negative results are possible between 19th of December and 8th or 10th of January. So little be cautious. गुरु श्रवण नक्षत्र में रहेंगे 7 जनवरी से 5 मार्च तक, धनिष्ठा में उसके बाद रहेंगे अप्रैल तक. तो ये समय लगभग ये अगला साल थोड़ा सा केयरफुली चलने का है इन एवरी वे, चाहे वो जॉब्स हैं, चाहे वो मैरिज है, चाहे रिलेशनशिप्स हैं, काम है, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं, एक्सेट्रा. Jupiter will, I was saying, get debilitated in Capricorn. Hence, world would see, rather has already seen a medical emergency in the form of COVID-19, जो आज भी चल रही है अभी, पर अब डाउन ट्रेंड पे है ओवरऑल ग्लोबल वे में. एंड इन माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इन माय कैलकुलेशन, फ्रॉम नवंबर इट शुड मूव अवे नाउ स्पीडीली. रेस्ट ईश्वर सर्वोपरि है. Like in 99 and 2001, in the last episode we spoke that this formation was made, and then weaponry era, I would say Kargil war, etc. happened. अब जो ये era आ रहा है, ये बायो वेपन वॉर के तौर पे हम कहेंगे, एक मेडिकल एमरजेंसीज, और ये आगे भी पेंडेमिक्स आने की आशंका है. ये अर्थ एलिमेंट काफ़ी चेंजेस लेके आएगा. वी विल डिस्कस ग्रेजुअली. and in coming episodes also. I'll make few more episodes on this very important topic. So world got under a health emergency, which is still on, and hopefully from November things should get better. In summary, Jupiter, the Karak of wealth and health, and Saturn, the Karak of ability to work and discipline, will give in all a sustained development for future. This year will make platform for many people, for many countries, for future. Some new developments, some new laws, etc. would come up, wherein which will, make a positive impact also for future growth. Earthy element in Capricorn, Saturn will restrict the nature of Devguru Brahaspati in the form of happiness. People may feel a little hopeless, loss of happiness, hopelessness, hurdles in expansion, lack of optimism will be there. God forbid, but suicidal tendencies may come up in minds of people of all ages. Political turmoil, ups and downs, major setbacks to many, and will be seen. Major changes of the nations would be seen in future politically. The heads may change gradually now. Inflation, GDP will see a lot of ups and downs. Economic blow may be witnessed in coming time. Now, having said that, there is a positive point also, which is that Saturn is in its own house, own Rashi, Makar Rashi, earthy sign Capricorn. Especially to those who will change with time, that is changing with their lifestyle, recognizing things, reorganizing things, or working hard, honestly, helping in some way the downtrodden, unknown people, not with your banner name, etc. Unknown people, and really who are in need of, because a lot of turmoil has already started. So people need to help those who are in real trouble, not putting in the name or not for any personal help or etc., but otherwise, actually, internally. And in some way, people who are helping the nation, maybe planting of trees, which is going to be very essential. Have been speaking about nature changes in my past blogs. Now the time has come that each and every one of us should be planting trees as much as greenery is needed by our country and for the betterment of the globe. Okay. Now, the time between the coming time would see a lot of other changes, like positive and negatives both. Like lot of NRIs and FDIs are going to come into India for investments and for new industries, etc. Lots of them in coming time. We are now in exponential area, have begun to accelerate much faster than the linear area. This is already seen and would go on getting better now. Taking care of relationships of any type, be it your job, home, would be very, very essential in coming this year, which will be making plus positives and negatives for the future. This is very important. New startups will come up. A lot of new startups will, start coming in more and more, and in a positive way for the nation. Startup culture will grow overall. लोगों की सोच बदलेगी और साथ ही साथ किस्मत भी बदलेगी. मेहनत से किस्मत ज़रूर हम बदल सकते हैं. ईश्वर ने लिख के तो सब भेजा है, बट कलम नहीं तोड़ी है वो. तो हम अपने पुरुषार्थ से बहुत चीज़ों को बदल भी सकते हैं. change in mindset will gradually be seen, especially in this coming decade of people, globally as well as our nation. So relationships would be a key factor. A lot of groupism, leaders will, a lot of things may come up. In next episodes, I'll talk about them. So political ups and downs are clearly foreseen. सेल्फ सफिशेंसी, जो आत्मनिर्भर भारत की का जो नारा लगा है, लोकल से वोकल से ग्लोबल आदि, ये सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं आने वाले समय के. एंड दिस ऑल हैव स्टार्टेड इन लॉकडाउन, माइंड इट, between March and June. Everything has started then. So nothing is coincidence. Everything has a logic. And this treasure has logic for everything. Bioweapon health emergencies are foreseen, as I have told you before. That's a negative, very negative factor of this coming time. Droughts are foreseen. Tsunamis, devastation of big cities may be, God forbid, but आगे चल के, इस साल नहीं, मैं आगे की बात कर रहा हूँ, ये सब चीज़ें हम सब शायद विटनेस करेंगे. Major earthquakes creating lot of devastations are possible. Oil and gas substitutes will be discovered. Middle East and other oil dependent countries may face lot of economic turmoil. ये सारी कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो apart from them a very major I would say change would come in space technology. Some new planets or something new also will be discovered in space technology. Now, AI, that is artificial intelligence, would be connected to the computer revolution, would be a major key factor for the era. In all walks of life, be it health, education, finance, and any walk, agriculture, lot of digitalization, AI would be helpful in the agricultural reforms. Agricultural reforms are one major factor. माँ भारती है ना, अर्थ एलिमेंट है ना, तो एग्रीकल्चर डेफिनेटली फॉर पॉजिटिव गुड रिफॉर्म्स आर. एंड फॉर दिस, इफ यू सी आर विजनरी PM, I am not talking of any party here, I am talking astrologically, has already started speaking about AI, about agricultural reforms, about economic changes, about banking system changes. And a lot of reforms have already, there's a vision for that I have to achieve this goal. ये एक की फैक्टर रहेगा आने वाले समय का, आप और मेरे लिए भी, सबके लिए. अगर हम इंडिजिनसली अपने को स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे, एक विजन रख के चलेंगे और एक गोल को प्राप्त करने के लिए निकलेंगे, तो ही इस एरा में हम सक्सेस पा सकते हैं. नहीं तो दिक्कतें आएंगी. जो लोग इससे भटकेंगे उनको प्रॉब्लम्स आनी शुरू होंगी, और मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स भी आ सकती हैं इंडिविजुअल्स को, इंटर्न फैमिलीज़ को, और फिर जैसे मैंने आपको बोला पीछे कि कुछ लोगों को नेगेटिव थॉट्स आने की टेंडेंसी एक्सेट्रा. सो लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस से, विल पावर से चीज़ों को दुरुस्त किया जाएगा और चीज़ें दुरुस्त होंगी. ठीक है, सृष्टि कोई ख़त्म नहीं हो रही, नथिंग इज एंडिंग हियर, only a big change is there, that's all. So these are few things which are housing में काफ़ी डेवलपमेंट होगी, अगेन रिलेटेड टू माँ भारती अर्थ. तो जो भी चीज़ें अर्थ एलिमेंट से होंगी वो उनमें चेंजेस आएंगी. डाटा कोलोनाइजेशन विल इंक्रीज, ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है आगे के लिए. एंड दिस विल सी अ मेजर ग्रोथ एंड चेंज. Aeronautical and space technologies will see major growth, as I have told you, maybe some discoveries of some planet, wherein आगे चल के in coming decade or decades, in this century probably, within this century, we would see ह्यूमन स्टेइंग इन सम स्पेस स्टेशन ऑल्सो, जिसकी बातें हो रही हैं, मूवीज़ बन रही हैं, सब कुछ हो रहा है, वो अब हकीकत होने जा रहा है इस एलिमेंट चेंज के एरा में. So, oil and gas, as I told you, one important thing, substitutes will be discovered again from the earth element. Some sort of changes, definitely, some sort of discoveries, inventions will be made, and oil and gas के relation जो related जो countries हैं और जो oil and gas पे dependency है वो अब काफ़ी हद तक minimize होगी. solar energy और तरीके की energies काफ़ी आगे आएंगी. पानी एक बड़ा कीमती फैक्टर है जिसके लिए वृक्षारोपण आदि करना हम सब के लिए आगे के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. वाटर माइट गेट वेरी कॉस्टली ऑल्सो. वाटर में लीड टू स्कैरसिटी ऑफ वाटर में लीड टू वॉर्स ऑल्सो. पॉसिबिलिटीज आर देयर. पॉसिबिलिटीज़ क्या दिख रहा है? So overall, for conserving, for maintaining our environment, for greenery, we must all be a part of it, contributing in every possible way. तभी हम हमारी अगली generations safely इस धरती पे रुक stay कर पाएंगे. सोलर एनर्जी पे बहुत ज़्यादा काम होगा आने वाले दिनों में. और न्यू एनर्जी, आई टोल्ड यू, पेट्रोल, गैस, इनको रिप्लेस करेंगी, विच इज़ अगेन कनेक्टेड टू महाभारती अर्थ एलिमेंट. मर्जिंग ऑफ रिवर्स विल बी नाउ वेरी सीरियसली टॉक्ड एंड एक्शंस विल बी टेकन. जो बातें हो रही हैं अब वो आगे चल के आप देखेंगे. मर्जिंग ऑफ रिवर्स डेफिनेटली आर फोरसीन. Axis of Earth also is going to change a little, which will create major environmental weather changes. तो ये कुछ पॉइंटर्स हैं जो मैं इस एपिसोड में डिस्कस किए आपसे. I have always said India is a country of billion opportunities, and definitely in coming 1 to 1.5 decade, 13 years from say 21st of December, we remember 21st of December 2020 से 13 साल के अंदर India will be in top 3 economies of the globe, provided we have to be united. We have to be honest to each other, to our country. We have to be very hardworking, with patience, and definitely we are going to come up in all sectors of life. We have plenty of opportunities, and definitely things will be much better. Already we are growing in all respects of life. Feels very proud. So in 75 years, almost 2019, we touched about 3 trillion economy. So in coming, my vision, in my calculation, coming 13 years would see nearing 7 to 10 trillion economy of Mahabharati. We should be proud of our nation, proud of our culture. कितनी डाइवर्सिटी है हमारी, कितनी लैंग्वेजेस हैं, और हमारा अब भारत का नाम पूरे विश्व में एक अलग तरीके से हर सेक्टर में लिया जा रहा है. सो फॉर टुडे इन दिस एपिसोड, गॉड ब्लेस आवर नेशन, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ, stay very safe. I'll shortly again connect with you. Hari Om Sai Ram.